There's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way